What a storm last night. Welcome to the garden. 2 inches of rain, 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts blowing through the fall vegetables. Let's take a look at the damage. Wow, let's check the damage out from last night. 2 inches of rain, 50 to 60 mile an hour gust. We have some damage. We have plants leaning over. Brussels sprouts looking okay. Oh, we have a leaner. There's a couple leaning. We're going to have to fix those up. Oh, and look at those broccoli. They're leaning. Let's go back here. Oh, we have a Brussels sprout down. We'll fix that. Oh, look at the broccoli. We got leaners. They couldn't handle the pressure of the wind. They had to lean over. 1, 2 down. And there's some cauliflower back here. Oh yeah, the cauliflower is laying down on the brick. They're all tied up. We'll have to fix those. And see what happens when the wind does blow and the wind back and forth. See the hole it makes from it jostling back and forth with the wind. That's why it's important to prop them up. So what I did first is get all my stakes together to stake up your vegetables. I use the rebar for the Brussels sprouts. Now they'll be here the longest, okay? The broccoli and the cauliflower will be harvested real soon, so I just need to quick stake those up. But I want to secure them. Go take a look at how I secured everything, preparing for the next storm. And here, like I said, all I'm using a rebar. At the end, in case they're sticking up too high, I put a little yellow paint on there so you don't poke your eye out. Set it up, push it right next to it. And the zip ties come in handy. Buy long enough ones. You use them for everything. Now these I'm just using any little stake I'm finding because I'm going to be harvesting the broccoli soon. And then all that's left is the florets. So, if I had a field of these, I wouldn't be doing anything. Well, I used the tie that was already on the cauliflowers to tie them up. So left extra. That's a good thing. Wow, as you can see, I try to take care of the garden as fast as possible. I mean, I could have left everything laying down, and if I had a big field, of course I would have. Everything would have just grown that way. And I do have some of the broccoli that I just left laying down in the back, so we're going to take a look at that later on when it grows to the sun. But remember, if you don't eat well, you don't live well. So happy gardening from Gino's Garden. Ciao, baby. Wow. Yeah. Oh.